This is a fake news story from the New York Times. It would be considered clickbait. There is some fake news in it, and it's propaganda. So I first saw this on Dig. It was on the homepage, and you notice it says Trump administration wants to make it easier to release methane into air. And when I read this, I thought, this is absolute bull. Why would the Trump administration want to release methane into the air or make it easier? That's just nonsense. They don't want to do that. And when I didn't read the article, I just skipped over it, and I said, this is just stupid. How could a company put such garbage on their website? So it ends up, it's also on the New York Times. And this is where the actual article came from. The New York Times. Trump administration wants to make it easier to release methane into air. This is complete garbage, and it's not supported by the article. What the article does say is that the rolling back requirements from oil wells, and the Obama era requirement was that they had to do an inspection every 6 months, and they had 30 days to fix it if there was a leak. And under Trump, they only have to do the inspection every year, and they've got 60 days to fix it. So Trump's administration is giving them double the amount of time to solve problems with methane being leaked into the air. So the other issue is a lot of these statements come from independent environmental groups. I can't find exactly where it is, but they're just using that type of language where they say Trump wants to increase methane into the air, and it's just stupid. It's just stupid, 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 and people believe it. And this is the state of journalism in your country. Journalism is garbage. Over here is where it says that they had the repairing the leak would go from 30 to 60 days. And there's another part where it says it goes, okay, so it goes every 3 months to every 6 months. And not only that, it's not every drill that's affected. It's only affected. See, over here, it says would lengthen that to once a year. Okay, over here it says in most cases. But you know what? The problem is that when you deal with these people spouting fake news, most cases technically means 51% of the time. And if there's 3 different conditions, it could be 34% of the time. So most cases is not an exact word. And I would be suspicious of this type of language in a news article. This is the type of language that people use to mislead the public. The other thing is they mentioned that it would be once every 2 years for low-producing wells, which obviously makes sense. If it's a low-producing well, then extending it isn't such a bad idea. Okay, so I just wanted to show you, don't believe everything you read. The media is really fake news.